Nowadays, it seems like people believe they can do everything themselves. But while it's cool to do some things on your own, when it comes to the health of your teeth and gums, the do-it-yourself approach can leave you with very little to smile about. Trying to close a gap or straighten your teeth yourself can increase the risk of infection and serious damage to your teeth and gums, including tooth loss. Replacing lost teeth is expensive, and a person may require multiple replacements over the course of a lifetime. The American Association of Orthodontists wants everyone to know that moving teeth is a healthcare procedure. It needs the personal supervision of an expert. Orthodontists are experts in moving teeth and aligning jaws. They have 2 to 3 years of specialized education beyond dental school in an accredited orthodontic residency program. Your smile deserves a specialist. Orthodontists are the specialists who will make sure that your own smile is your best smile. For more, visit mylifemysmile.org.